Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing good. Today with me I have a Freightliner 2016. I'm gonna change the belt tensioners, the two belts and the two idle pulleys. There's one right there and there's one on the other side. I'm also gonna replace in the AC pump, but today I'm just gonna show you how to replace the belt tensioner, the two belts and the two idle pulleys. First thing first, we're gonna use a half-inch extension. We're gonna insert it right there, and we keep the ratchet to pull it out. So then you just bring it to you, and then with the other hand, just remove it. So after you remove it, we're gonna remove the second one. This is the fan belt. This is a belt that we just removed. That's the alternator belt, compressor belt, and the water pump belt. And once you do that, we're gonna remove the fan belt. And for that, we don't need the extension because we can get it here. And just use the same ratchet and pull it towards you and remove it. Once you remove the fan belt, just loosen up everything, and then we're gonna pass it through here, pass it through the fan belt, and then we're gonna through the fan, and we're gonna spin it. We're gonna go around and around until it comes out. So like this. Same thing with this one. We're gonna go like this. It's hard to do it one hand, but like that. We're gonna do it one more time, and again. And again, and there you go. So that's how you remove the belts. I know it's hard to do it while I'm recording, but so pretty much hopefully you get the idea how to remove that. Next step, I'm gonna remove the tensioner. I'm gonna use a 5/8 socket. We got one bolt here, one bolt here as well, and one right there. So 3 of them. Same ratchet, 5/8 socket. Once you remove the 3 bolts, just hold it one hand, pull it out, and come out this way like that. And next step will be removing the 2 idle pulleys, one here and one in the other side. To remove those pulleys, you need a number 8 Allen wrench with the half-inch adapter. So you're gonna insert it right here, and I already loosened it up, and then using the ratchet. So just be careful with this one. This one, I believe, has the washer right like a spacer, so do not lose that washer, because that washer have to go back in there. Yeah, so it is. Yeah, this one has that washer. So when you put the new one, there's the new one. Make sure you put the same washer, and you put it in the correct place as well. So what I do is as soon as I remove it, put the new one on it, put the washer, and then pretty much insert it back again. So yeah. So yeah, just it's better to do it two hands. One hand, it's really hard to do it, but yeah, once you have two hands, it's better. It's kind of hard to do it while you're recording. So see, once it's in there, just grab your ratchet and you'll feel it. Get it tight. Don't tighten it too much because it's aluminum. So, but just make sure you tighten up enough. So the second idle pulley is right underneath the water pump, right there. So like I say, I already loosened it up. This one doesn't have the washer in the back, so loosen it up. Be careful, don't drop it. You don't want to break anything. And then just have the other one ready. Yeah, like I said, it would be easier to do it with two hands, but hopefully this helps you. I mean, it's nothing major, nothing's big. It's just having the proper tools to remove this if you're gonna do it yourself. And then we're just gonna tighten up with the ratchet and put the belts and the tensioner. So the tensioner is already installed. Both of those belts are already installed. Idle pulleys are installed as well. The reason why I installed them is because we had this truck was squeaking too much. It was making loud sound. So whenever you have that, it's better to replace the tensioner, the two belts, and the two idle pulleys, because it could be any of them. But hopefully this video will help you guys if you guys want to replace your tensioner. And thank you, and subscribe.